Hi there and welcome to the first Abu Dhabi Bank Global Investment Outlook. This is the quarterly update and I'm thrilled to be joined by Samira Zakour, who's the Managing Director and Head of Private Banking. Hi Samira, thank you very much for joining me.
Hi James.
Good to see you again. So let's get stuck in. So as the UAE becomes more of a dominant and prominent strong sector for, let's say, the centre of wealth, what's your thoughts regarding private banking and the positioning of the UAE at the moment compared to traditional centres like Switzerland or Singapore?
That's actually a very good question, because if you think about it now, the UAE has become actually a centre of excellence for wealth management. You have seen the establishment of the IFC in Dubai, ADGM in Abu Dhabi. You have seen mergers between local banks, First Abu Dhabi Bank being one of them. So historically, yes, the local bank will provide the local expertise here, whether it was on the investment side or on the real estate. But again, if I use First Abu Dhabi Bank, we have presence in Europe, we have presence in Asia, we have a presence in Saudi, in Egypt. We recently also acquired and finalized, as well, the merger and of Bank Audi. So I would say that what traditionally, the Swiss bank or the Singaporean bank were offering now, the local bank and a bank such as First Abu Dhabi Bank is offering and provide a dual expertise, whether it is in the region or in the international side. If I use our Swiss office in Geneva, we actually use the same reporting as some of the traditional bank. We provide as well all services that historically only Swiss boutique bank will be offering, but we also added because we open our balance book here, we open our balance sheet, so we really offer the 360 degrees to our clients. And I think that the statement is that we see with the growth of the UAE, more and more people are becoming here, are actually investing here, are establishing, are living here. And UAE has been a great example. We have seen now the rise of the golden visa, attraction of investors from all around the world. So we're very proud of the UAE, of being now a center of excellence for private banking.
Very interesting. You mentioned the rise of the golden visa within the UAE. Could you explain a little bit more about the rise in women within wealth and being strong drivers within the UAE, if you can?
Actually, I can use a very good example. The CEO of First Abu Dhabi Bank is Hannah Rostomani.
Of course.
One of the most powerful ladies in the region. We have seen also, with all the changes and in this part of the region, Saudi being one of them. So you see more and more women on boards, more and more women, whether it is in Kuwait, whether it is, in this part of the world, taking very senior position, not only in the financial sector, but whether it is as well, on less traditional, such as, all companies, such as insurance companies. So this really, women now not only have risen from the corporate ladder, but also playing an extremely important role into the development of the economy, into making decisions, into as well, if I look at here in the UAE, if you see, okay, ministerial role, directorate role, so you will have more and more women, and this is growing, and this, you see it as well, it is not just the first or second generation of women. There is now a tradition, more and more, are coming. You have a lot of entrepreneurs, you have a lot of money that is coming now into this part of the region, and that women contribute strongly into the economy throughout the GCC here. And I think that this is also a very strong statement to the growth of this part of the region.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's super important. It's amazing to see. Samira, really appreciate your time. It's always super insightful and very informative.
So it's great talking to you, James.
Thank you. See you at the next quarterly update.
Inshallah.
Thank
you. Take care.